Former President Thabo Mbeki has stirred a fresh political debate, suggesting that the African National Congress' recent setbacks may not be accidental, but deliberately engineered. Addressing the Umkhonto weSizwe Liberation War Veterans Conference, Mbeki said the ANC's electoral decline, the rise of former President Jacob Zuma's MK party, and even the July 2021 unrest could be linked to long-standing counter-revolutionary forces. Mbeki blamed elements of the apartheid-era security machinery, which he says was never dismantled. He told delegates that this national security management system had been activated to produce destabilizing outcomes, adding that the Truth and Reconciliation Commission had attempted to investigate the matter but failed to uncover concrete results. The former president further alleged that the same individuals who once controlled IFP hostels during the era of black-on-black violence now exert influence over MK party-aligned hostels. Mbeki said the shift from IFP support to the MK party was not coincidental, but driven by the same unseen forces operating behind the scenes. Western Cape police say they are on a trail of 2 additional suspects linked to the deadly Marikana Tavern mass shooting. 9 of the 10 people shot were killed, including the tavern owner. Police believe 3 gunmen entered the tavern and demanded protection money. The owner reportedly refused to say she had already paid another gang. 19-year-old Mbeki appeared in the Athlone Magistrate Court on Monday, facing 9 counts of murder, 2 counts of aggravated robbery, and 1 count of attempted murder. The court heard that Mbeki and his co-accused had been drinking elsewhere before heading to the Marikana informal settlement. The National Prosecuting Authority in the Western Cape says Mbeki faces scheduled 6 offences, with more charges likely to be added. Police have expanded their search across the province for the 2 outstanding suspects. Mbeki remains in custody and is due back in court next Monday. Meanwhile, the Nkabinde inquiry investigating the fitness of Johannesburg prosecution boss Andrew Chauke to hold office has hit another setback. The inquiry resumed on Monday but failed to make progress after the main compliant outgoing National Prosecuting Authority, head advocate Shabila Boeti, refused to testify without legal advice. Boeti has accused Chauke of making politically motivated prosecutorial decisions. The inquiry heard that several witnesses expected to testify against Chauke have become reluctant, particularly on matters involving former KwaZulu-Natal Hawks head Johannes Boysens and the Katumwana unit. With the inquiry now running behind schedule, the panel will need to approach President Cyril Ramaphosa for an extension. Evidence leaders requested a week to resolve their challenges, but were granted only until Thursday. And those were your latest. I'm Mangana.